How to change iPhone password, change passcode. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your iPhone password or change the passcode, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change your iPhone password, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the settings app here. Then once you launch the settings app, here you can see Face ID and passcode, so tap on it and enter your current passcode first of all. Now if you want to change your passcode, you can simply scroll down over here and you can see change passcode. Tap on it, then enter your current passcode again. Now it says enter the new passcode. Now here it will give you a 6-digit by default. Then you can select passcode options if you want 4-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Depending upon what kind of passcode you want, you can select the new passcode and hit the save option to change your passcode. This way you can change your iPhone password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.